Hello everyone. So the cord has been making some noise when it starts to move from a stop, mostly in the first or second gear. It is a stick shift, so I can tell it is only those two gears. It is most likely the heat shield at the bottom. I had this issue a few years ago as well, and I ended up putting some clamps on it, and that took care of it, but it's back. So we are going to jack up the car from the front and go ahead and take a look. We start by putting these chocks behind the wheels. Not required since I have the parking brake on, but doesn't hurt either. So one goes behind each wheel. And then gonna slide the jack below and jack up the car that way. Just making sure it's the right spot. I'm gonna go ahead and put the jacks now, or the jack stand now. So I'm looking to put it there. And one more. Just gonna move it here. And just so that I have a little bit more room under the car, I'm gonna jack it up a little bit further. Of course, the jack can't really go up, so I'm gonna put a piece of wood between the jack and the car to lift it up further, and then move the jack stands up further as well. I'm gonna lower the jack so I can put the piece of wood. Make sure it doesn't really go anywhere. Shouldn't. And that's my sign. I'm gonna move the jack stands a little bit up. Okay, getting down there, seems like it was most likely this piece which was vibrating. So I kind of got it on there, and this oxygen sensor goes out. I'm just gonna try to put this back in. So hopefully that fixes. Any vibration, we can keep an eye on it and go from there. But I think that'll take care of it. I do realize that it is just hooked onto that bolt, so it is somewhat easy for it to get off of it if the car runs through any pothole or something like that. And the eventual fix that I can think of would probably involve drilling a hole through the underside of the car and using a bolt and nut to secure it. But that is a bit more involved. So I will postpone that for now and see how long this holds up and kind of go from there.
And then getting the car down should just be the opposite. Piece of board on here. And then just lower the jack stands. Don't remove them completely yet. You can lower the car completely. Remove the jack. And finally, don't forget to remove the chocks.